Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dr. Anwar and you are watching Dynamic English Academy. Today we are going to learn how to use will have in a sentence. Whenever we use will have in the sentence, we use third form of the verb, which is past participle of the verb. If you want to learn this, keep watching this video until the end. Will have finished the class before 5:30 p.m. If you use will have, usually we need to set a time limit. If you say I will finish the class, you can say that I will finish the class at 5:30. मैं 5:30 बजे क्लास खत्म कर दूंगा. But if you want to say कि 5:30 बजने से पहले पहले मैं क्लास खत्म कर दूंगा, then you have to say I will have finished the class before or by 5:30. Similarly, you can also say by the time you come I will have finished the class, or you can say I will have finished my project before the end of this month. इस महीने के ख़त्म होने से पहले पहले मैं अपना प्रोजेक्ट पूरा कर लूँगा. और you can say I will have finished my work before the office closes. ऑफिस के बंद होने से पहले पहले मैं अपना प्रोजेक्ट पूरा कर लूँगा. So similarly, if you want to say something like that, ट्रेन स्टार्ट होने से पहले, ट्रेन के खुलने से पहले मैं स्टेशन पहुंच जाऊंगा. So you can try this sentence and write it in the comment below. Thank you. Now you have learned how to use will have with a verb, like third form of the verb, which is past participle of the verb. Now you can use it. Try it in your daily conversation and you will be able to use will have in your sentences. Thank you. Thank you so much.